A lot of good stuff happening with Baby Doge Coin these days that has left a lot of investors wondering what the future of Baby Doge Coin holds. We have seen major exchanges coming on board, listing this baby, and also looking at on-chain, seeing that Baby Doge Coin holders keep increasing on Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chain. This is amazing, guys. And if we look at crypto bubbles, we can see how this bad boy has done so well on the monthly, yearly, weekly, and even the daily, even though it's down 7% today. Wow, what an awesome stuff going on with our baby. Those of you who didn't believe in Baby Dogecoin or are still wondering or in doubt if this baby is actually moving to the upside, my friends, you need to chill and accept reality. This baby has been dumping while the team keep building new utilities, new use cases, and they are still building use cases as we speak or as I speak, and you're still there doubting. Now is the time for Baby Dogecoin to at least give investors, those who believe in the project, some gain. So if we see the market makers coming on board right now to pump the price, it's because of the utility and because of high demand out there. A lot have happened lately, as I mentioned, and in today's video, I want us to look at some Baby Dogecoin news, what has unveiled in the past, and we're going to look at analysis, look at the charts of Baby Dogecoin. I'm going to show you guys two charts, what has happened and what we might expect to happen this October for Baby Dogecoin, and more to that, I want us to look at the future of this project because I think there's a lot we need to discuss here about the future of Baby Dogecoin. I see most of you still don't understand what a real meme coin is, or let me say a meme coin with real use cases and a meme coin with no real use cases. I want us to discuss on that. So if you're new here, you're welcome. If you say you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. This is a place where I create content to help anyone who is interested in making better decisions investing in this brutal crypto space. I'm all about market structure, support and resistance, where to buy, where to take out profit. If you say this sort of content interests you, then feel free to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Having said all this good stuff, let's dive. Let's go anyway and see what the baby holds for us. Oh boy, this is amazing, guys. Look at this. Crypto Bubbles has set it all. Look at the data on your face in front of you. Look at what you're seeing here. More than 1x for the month alone. So if say you have been DCing this project, then you should be up. And if we look at the volume, guys, this is huge. Look at this. The volume is almost 35 million. Wow, this is amazing. Even though we see more volume, from other meme coins and in top meme coins, I think Baby Dogecoin is getting there. We're gonna see in the future 1 billion volume for Baby Dogecoin. These are some on-chain analysis. The holders on the Ethereum chain. Ethereum, this is Etherscan, and you can see the holders here. We are getting towards 20,000 for the holders on Etherscan. You can see here it has increased 0.341%, which is good. The top holders that we are looking at right now are Top Wallet, most exchanges. They are the ones holding, the most liquidity, or that they have most of the bags, which is good, and most of them are the market makers. So I think that's why we are seeing the price pumping. And also on the charts, I'm going to show you guys what retail investors are doing and what these big guys are doing. We are heading towards 1.9 million holders alone on the BAC chain, which is awesome. And if we look at the holders, it keep increasing. Top holders are exchanges as it is with Etherscan. So everything you see here is more of the fact that we are seeing big players coming on board, smart money coming on board, to make this baby be world known. I think this is really amazing for those of you who have been in this project for some time now. This is making you to smile, to be happy, because right now you're making money. You have seen other meme coins, pumping. Baby Dogecoin wasn't doing so well, and now is your time to actually do some good stuff to enjoy the profit from Baby Dogecoin. And those who were laughing at you that, oh, why are you holding this bad boy, is dumping and so on and so forth. Now you are enjoying the food. That's why I always say to my viewers that when you are holding any coin and you believe in the coin, you need to have a plan to DCA that project when the price keep going down, because you believe in the future of that project. You don't listen to what others have to say. Like I come here at times and say I'm not holding Baby Doge Coin. It's based on how I trade it or how I invest in it. I look at structure, and when price get to a certain level, I take out profit and wait for pullback. That's how I go about trading or investing in any asset out there. Now, going forward, we can see clearly that on the X platform of Baby Dogecoin, we have lots of news, lot of Baby Dogecoin news here going on. Look at this. Donald Trump, and Elon Musk talking about Doge, and Baby Dogecoin is Baby of Doge coin. This is amazing, guys. You can see, are you ready to soon create token with Puppet.fun, where once the bonding curve is reached, the token will get listed in Baby Doge Swap. Revenue will be used to buy back and burn Baby Doge token. So this is what they're talking about. This Puppet.fun. This is like Pom.fun on Ethereum chain, if you understand what I mean by that. And most projects that are going to be using this Puppet.fun are going to be launching on the Baby Doge Swap platform. So this is amazing, because guys, they're going to use the profit that they're going to make from this platform to actually buy and burn Baby Dogecoin. Now, why this is important, guys? Look, when a project is building use cases that help the coin to grow, then that project is very serious. It's important, okay? Because they value the investors. Investors are people who invest and expect to get return. Okay, even though most platforms will say, no, it's not. They're not doing this to make people to be. Of course, they want people to buy with Dogecoin, and also they want to keep focusing on their goals to help pets out there, and also to build products that is going to help their investors, to facilitate the life of their investors in the crypto space. They're coming with this wallet and a lot of stuff that they are coming with. So this alone is very important. And I had to stress this so that you guys should understand how big this is. This is big. It's big. And not only this, the wallet which they are coming up with is big. This is something huge. I think this is going to help the project grow more in the future, and we can see Baby Dogecoin 100x from this. This Baby Dogecoin can 100x, looking at all of this data that they are building, these use cases that they are building around the project. And if we go down and say, yeah, Baby Doge wallet coming soon, yeah, we just read that. And there's this stuff here about Baby Doge Pulse has hit 9 million users. Wow, guys, this is awesome. This is Baby Dogecoin game on Telegram, the Baby Doge Pulse game, and this is a way to bring in more smart money in the ecosystem, which is awesome. I think all of these use cases that they are building, as I mentioned, is going to help the project to grow. And if we go down, let's see if say we got some other news here. We have added a skin to Baby Doge Pulse to celebrate the release of CZ. Oh, welcome back, CZ. CZ is back. CZ has been in jail for like 3 months. I think something like that, 3 or 4 months, and now he's back. We miss you, CZ. You are the G of crypto. You have done a lot in this space, and I believe that everyone loves you, and we welcome you back. So what they just did here is really amazing to see that they are trying to build something that is going to also appreciate CZ, the former Binance CEO. If we go down, let's see what we got here. Baby Doge has been added to a new USDT trading pair on OKX. Wow, you can now find Baby Doge pair with USDC alongside our existing USDT pair. Okay, this is awesome. Baby Doge has been listed on Zepay, one of India's largest exchanges. Wow, this is boo boo boo. Guys, it's like everything is happening like quickly. Baby Doge coin, like everyone want to have Baby Doge coin on their radar. As Binance listed this baby, they want this bad boy on their radar. And I know those of you who have been here for a long time now, you understand what I'm talking about. And there's something I want to bring to your attention. I've been creating Baby Doge coin videos for a very long time now. I've created about 90 videos, 90 videos on Baby Doge Coin. This is amazing, guys. And those of you who are recently joining me now and you're like, okay, maybe this guy haven't yet done anything with Baby Doge Coin. He's just saying stuff about this project. He hasn't, been doing anything, guys. I've been creating videos now for a long time. You can see, yeah. This is back then. That was 2 years ago about Baby Doge Coin. You can see, look at the date here. 2 years ago, I have been doing this, and you can see the videos here. Baby Doge Coin. I have 1 to 90 videos about Baby Doge Coin. So I'm not just a random person on the internet who is trying to create content about Baby Doge Coin. I have been with this baby for a long time, and even though I haven't been talking about it often, because I'm not that person who is going to focus only on a particular project. I'm all about crypto, and I try to find a project that really can help you make some huge profit in the market. And looking at the meme space, I think Baby Dogecoin is still an undervalued meme coin, which has evolved to now being something which is more than a meme coin. So I think I had to say this to you all who are on my platform for the first time, so that you feel comfortable knowing that you are with someone who have been with this project for some time now and knows what he's talking about. So having said that, let's just dive and continue with our show. Now I want us to go to this chart, and this is the chart we know about. I've been talking about this chart for a while now, and I think most of you know this chart. Right? I want us to look at this chart on the weekly time frame, and I'm going to zoom out this, so we see where we are on the weekly time frame, and this might help us to know where we are heading towards. Now, if you have been watching my previous videos, then you would have found out that I called this pump when Baby Dogecoin was here, still at this bottom here. I called that pump there. I also, correlate it with this pump here. When price came here, we saw a huge pump. I also talk about it here. When price came here, we saw a huge pump. Now, what we want to look at is if this pump is going to continue this October this year until next year, like how far we can expect Baby Dogecoin to pump. Now, these pump are based on this listing. So I should say it's based on hype. Now, after the listing period must have been over, we need to now start looking at where Baby Dogecoin is going to retrace to. Now, I've drawn zones that I think this pump can, get to. These are the zones here. This was the first zone, and that's got into the first zone. We're looking at the second zone here, and we're looking now also at the third zone. So these are the areas where we can expect Baby Dogecoin to go. Now, as we speak on the weekly time frame, Baby Dogecoin has broken structure. On the daily time frame, it has broken structure as well. And also, we are looking at this on the 4 hours time frame and seeing that on the 4 hours time frame, it is in a constant uptrend. You can draw a trend line here, and you can see that Baby Dogecoin is in an uptrend, forming this zone here. You can see this was a good zone, making higher highs and higher lows. You can see higher highs here, higher highs here. Even though, well, let me not say higher highs, but this is zone was the area I marked and expect price to break structure, and price did break structure, and price now has retested that structure. So what we expect price to do is, again, what I always mention: price should not break and close below here. Price should stay above this line if we want to see a next move to the upside. Okay, and if price invalidate this move here and break the structure here, then price might as well do something like this and come right down, to eat all of these gains here, because we still have vectors here. Guys, this is very important. You understand what might happen. But if price stays in structure, then we don't have to worry price is going to break or price is not going to break. Provided we stay in structure, we don't have to worry what price is going to do. Right? As I mentioned, we need to see price respect these zones. These zones must be respected. We don't want to see price break here below. If price break below, then we should expect pullback from here at least, and if say we expect pullback from here and price is not able to go and make higher highs, then that's when you can cash out most of your profit. Because if you're not able to cash out your profit, then price might do something like this. It might come down here, break structure, then go here, then come down here, hold at this point, then come right down and eat all of these vectors here. So you need to be aware of what price might do to prepare yourself in the future of what might happen to your investment. If I zoom out here, you can see see of this structure, look at these vectors here, these vectors, these are all smart money. I mentioned to you guys, I want to tell you what smart money is, and also, what retail money is. The way I look at smart money is more of institutions, while retail money is more of, you and I, traders, normal investors. And these other candlestick here represent retail traders, while these green vectors here represent the big exchanges, the market makers, coming on board, buying in huge quantity, pushing the price to the upside. And you can see they push a price here, and these guys have been buying, selling here, buying also here, buying and selling. Now they came on board again, and retail sold, they pump again, retail sold, they pump again, and retail sold. So they haven't yet cashed out their profit, guys. Trust me, these guys haven't yet cashed out their profit. They are still building contract here. And if we zoom out, you can see here that retail has been accumulating here, buying, and creating these zones here until institutions pump the price. So you need to understand market structure, how it works. Who are those that come on board to buy, and when they're gonna buy it, when you're gonna get involved, and so on and so forth. And guys, if say you want to connect with me, my link tree is found at the description of this video. Go to my link tree and you can connect with me. You can join my VIP. My VIP, you get my buy and sell signal. You can also trade with me on Bitunics. All you need to do is click on this link and get Bitunics. Then you need to deposit at least $100 that you can use to trade with me on Bitunics. You can get most of my settings and all of this stuff, and you can also join my free Telegram group. And if say you want to talk with me, you can book a 15-minute free call with me. And there are a lot of other stuff that you can go through. If it relates to you, then you can connect with me based on that. Now let's look at this other chart here, and this chart is the Binance, or the 1M Baby Doge on Binance. Now, this chart, I want to always look at this chart, because this chart, it gives me an area where, like, after Binance listed this coin, this is what the coin has been doing. So I am interested in the volume, of this structure, what I'm seeing now. Okay, I've drawn this volume profile here. I brought in this volume profile, and now what I'm looking at is the POC, the value area high, and the value area low. Now price, crossed above the POC, above the POC, and it went right up to the value area high. Now price has made its way inside this zone. This zone here is a zone where, if price will see a pump and price is not able to break this zone back, like this zone here, because price break structure and price has come back. Now price is in a zone where price need to go back and stay above here, okay, and maybe come right down and keep doing like this before we expect another move. But if price get to this value area low here, the red line in the middle, then price might as well go right down to this other area here where we have this volume, and this is gonna match what I just explained to you guys on the other chart, guys. All of these indicators, they help us, to provide the same result. They help us understand what might happen in the market, and how we might position ourselves to understand what might happen. And guys, there's a chart I want to show you guys today. I don't know if say I have time to show you that chart, but I think this chart is going to help you to understand what might be going on in the future for the entire crypto market. I think I'm going to analyze it on my live stream. I think I'm going to do a live stream analyzing the entire market, so we can see where we are and where we might be going towards in terms of the entire crypto market, Bitcoin, altcoins. So where we are with any other altcoin out there, including Baby Doge Coin. So this data, I think, is going to help you, help me, help everyone, who is investing in cryptocurrency, to be able to invest sustainably, make the right decisions. I'm all about making the right decisions always, even though we cannot make the right decisions always. But I think most at times, if say we are able to do something nice, for our investment, then we're going to enjoy the reward. So making these decisions is very important, because you are buying in zones that are gonna be worth. You can see each time we see a pump, price always recover half of the vector candle. So you can always mark this, and say, okay, if we see a pump, you can measure the vector candle. You can use this measurement tool. You can use it, measure this pump from where the candle started to where it closed, and give you the midpoint. And this is the midpoint. Price is always going to bounce from that midpoint. You can see, yeah, if we measure this candle here from this bottom to where the candle closed, you're going to see also where the midpoint is. This was the midpoint. Price came down to the midpoint, so price is always going to come to the midpoint of these vector candles, and we should expect price to bounce from there to make higher highs if, say, there's more momentum with that project. But in this case, this previous pump here, price wasn't able to actually hold at the middle of this vector here. So price have eaten almost all of these vectors here. And if that's the case, it means price might be preparing to reverse and come and eat the rest of these vectors here. So I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say, but comment below if, say, to an extent you are following what I'm trying to say, to help you understand how you can position yourself not to get burned by the market makers, to help you have the better entry always when you are trading or investing in this baby. I think this is okay for today. I'm gonna keep doing subsequent videos, more updates on Baby Doge Coin, so we can see what is going on with the project. And I want to believe this content was helpful to you somehow. And if, say, it was helpful to you somehow, then you know what to do, my beautiful friends, my handsome friends, my nice friends. I love you all. Subscribe, thumbs up, and share with your friends. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.